Taking a closer look now, a team of researchers at Georgia Southern University is launching a new initiative to combat the opioid crisis with a focus on rural communities. WSAV's Eden Hodges is joining us now live from our Statesboro Bureau with how the team plans to make a local impact.
The group received $800,000 to go towards 4 projects, which they say are designed to work like a 4-pronged sword against the opioid crisis.
Georgia Southern Center for Addiction Recovery is receiving nearly $800,000 for their research into Georgia's opioid crisis.
When we think about addressing opioid use, we think about the continuum of care.
Robert Bowler is one of the professors involved in 4 projects by the group.
We think about prevention, harm reduction, treatment, and recovery.
He tells me those 4 pillars shaped their projects to take a deeper look at opioid addiction in rural areas. They're working with personnel at 30 rural hospitals to teach addiction treatments and how to safely prescribe the drug.
Substance use patterns are different in rural areas. Treatment access is different. Recovery support resources are different in rural areas.
For their recovery and support, they're training people at local addiction recovery centers, and they're furthering their collegiate recovery program for students battling addiction.
Early on, rural areas were particularly hit hard by the opioid crisis because they experienced increased opioid prescribing compared to urban areas.
Bowler tells me their research project will look at harm reduction strategies to lower the risk for those who struggle stopping the drug.
Part of this funding is really aimed at innovative solutions.
Bowler tells me that his group has been in communication with the city and the county here to localize their efforts. Their work starts this month and continues for the next 2 years. Reporting from the Statesboro Bureau at Georgia Southern University, I'm Eden Hodges, WSAV News 3, on your side.
Eden, thank you.